What's going on, YouTube? We're back again. So we'll be working on the Acura today. So we're gonna finish up this. We took the window out, so we're gonna finish up over here. Hopefully get it ready and then weld the little spot that needs to be welded. I don't know if you can see it in there. Noel already started ahead of time because you don't know how to wait.
No, yeah, definitely can't wait.
So
I definitely started grinding all this, and then because we need to take the fender off to get deeper down into that groove, I just hit it with some black spray paint.
So we're gonna finish that. We need to take the fender off, and then we're gonna weld it, and then hopefully get this window put back in. And then we gotta. I think we're gonna stop for the Acura for a little bit. Well, I guess not stop because we still have to put the hood on, the front bumper on, and a couple other parts that we have for the Acura. Put them on the car, but we're not gonna build it or do anything to it yet because we have to finish the GTR and we kind of have to allocate the money there for that. And also, Noel wants to start his build because he's been accumulating some parts for the Del Sol. So he wants to start building that, but he wants to go, I'm pretty sure he just wants to go track car with that, but we won't reveal that yet. We'll wait till it's like, we'll wait till we're ready for it. So that will be coming soon. So we're gonna get right to it. Alrighty guys, so we loosened all the bolts to the to the fender, and I don't know if you can see down in here, the whole inner wheel well here is zip tied on. So I think instead of cutting the zip ties, we're just gonna pull it back and then, you know, do what we need to do to clean it up. Now see, this is how Noel's doing this right now. This is a little behind the scenes. This is how he operates.
I just get shit done, man.
So now that that's all cleaned up, well, not totally cleaned up, we are actually going to put this rust neutralizer on it so that it stays like that, and then we're going to fill in the hole with this, like, it's sort of like a seam sealer, so that we can get the window put in to get this thing back running again. After the window's put in, we're still going to do we got the front bumper. I think we have new front bumper, new hood. We're going to fix the fender. We're not going to paint it anytime soon, not this quite yet, because we're going to actually be driving it while we finish the GTR, which should be finished. I'm hoping, it's got pushed back a little bit, but I'm hoping probably like February, March, that the GTR will be 100% complete. So we're going to get right to it. So the Acura, it's pretty bright out here. Holy shit. So the Acura is coming along now. We got that, as we showed you before we did this, we got it all primed up. They came, they put a window in it. So it's finally got a window. It's been, a windshield, sorry. It's been quite a long time since it's had one. so that's nice. They came, they were in and out. Safelite did it pretty quick. So now, Noel's in there doing stuff. Oh, we did get some parts for the Acura.
Oh, Keith, you took your diarrhea medicine?
So a friend of mine unfortunately crashed his RSX, but I guess it's unfortunate for him, fortunate for us, because he had some parts on there that he gave to us, and well, he didn't give them to us, but he. So we have Skunk 2 exhaust. He gave us his alternator. He gave us his intake manifold. Some just miscellaneous stuff. He gave us a fuel rail. His tail lights. His headlights should be around here somewhere. Dress-up bolts that he had. So he gave us a decent amount of things that I guess I wasn't even planning on getting to right away. But now that he gave us some of that, who knows? We might do a little bit. Alrighty, so Noel got this off. As you can see, I mean, there's a lot of There's a lot of cobwebs here, man. There's a lot of stuff that was living in this, in and on this car. So, what you got there? It's like some eggs.
Just some spongy shit.
Fucking nasty. So we're gonna try and blow this up and see if it just goes right back on there the way we want it to, just nice and easy. But it's the Acura, so you know it's probably gonna be a pain in my ass too. So we're gonna give it a shot. Alrighty, Noel. So you have water. For the people that don't know at home, what are you doing?
We're just gonna check this to see if it has any leaks on the bead, because the tire kept going flat as it was sitting, so we know it has a small leak somewhere. We're just gonna eliminate the bead if we can, and then worry about if there's something actually in the tire later on, because Keith got some new anyway.
Yeah, that you're just putting this thing all over.
Yeah.
I'll let you guys know I got real lucky. Went to a yard sale, and this lady had Toyo Proxies, and she was getting rid of them for like 25 a piece, and they looked brand new, so I had to hop on it. Alright, so as you're seeing, he found it and it started to bubble up. That's how we knew he found it. So now he's going to beat it with a hammer.
Just a slow.
I don't know if you hear, my neighbor has a really nice Evo, so he's leaving right now. I don't know if you can see it that well. It sounds pretty nice. It always drives so nice. We're probably going to put on the intake, and then we wanted to take it for a ride. It's not getting any brake pedals, so there's not much brakes there. We keep putting like the fluid in and trying to pump them, and it's still not getting much brake pedal. So I don't know. I do want to take it for a ride, but do I want to take it with no brakes? It's not very smart. Unless we're just gonna take it.
Just gonna go for it.
Oh, the seat's not bolted in, and it has no passenger seat, so we're just gonna kind of just rock it and just not go far because I'm not bolted in, and he's got no seat. So we're gonna put this on, and then we're probably gonna take it. Here's the new intake. Well, I guess it's not brand new. Like I said, my friend had an Rsx that he crashed. He had it on there for about a week and then crashed it. So it's been sitting for a while because I've had it for a while, longer than the other stuff because I didn't buy the other parts right away from him. So this one I've had for quite a bit just sitting there. So it's the InGen short ram. So we're going to get this crappy stock box off, and then we're going to take it for a rip. Alright guys, as you've seen, Noel just yanked that out. Do you see how brolic and big this thing is? What in the fuck? And we're going from that to this. Look at all that room. I mean, it still looks like shit because it's all like rusted out, but much more room. Throw this bitch in. Like I said, nothing wants to go so smooth. As you see, Noel's trying to... So where the throttle body is, the coupler that came with the intake is a little bit bigger. Well, alright, a lot bit bigger. Because he got it with the bigger throttle body. So we're trying to just kind of like get it on there the best we can right now because we don't feel like doing, you know, throttle body, the intake manifold, switching the alternator. We don't feel like doing all that today, especially because we're running out of sunlight, and we do want to take it down the road. So we're just trying to make it so it's tight on there. It's not, of course, it's not going to be perfect because that's the coupler's meant for something, for the bigger one. So we're hoping that it'll just go on there. We can put the intake on, and then take it down the road. Alright, so we're all in there. It's not looking too bad. We had to finagle a couple of things, but now we're gonna try and start it back up. You ready?
Got this shit pointing on the ground.
Do I?
Yeah.
Why you fucking with me?
Hold up. Wait a minute. Who's finishing that?
What?
Talking to the camera. Let me put some pimp in it.
The brakes, we still have no brake pedal, so we have to fully bleed the line. We're not going to do that today, so we're actually not going to get to take the Acura for a ride. But I mean, at least we have the intake in. And we couldn't do the O2 sensor because it was leaning down and it kind of, like, I guess ripped off the ending of it. So I'm going to order that instead of ordering another O2 sensor, just because it's kind of pricey. So I'm going to order that to get that in so we can kind of splice that in and make the O2 sensor work. And that's pretty much going to do it for this one, because we can't really do anything else right now, because bleeding the whole system is going to take long and we're losing a lot of sunlight. So next time we will take the Acura around the block. Noel's not too happy about it either.
What are you gonna do?
And we may next time dig in and put the throttle body on, put the intake manifold on. So hopefully that stuff will be done. We just didn't have time to do that today, so we didn't even get into it. So till next time, guys, stay hustling.